Ke Estee Lauder ringkat bat kan Nykaa India, haka khat pratorik unaitung, kala plie ya kedukan ke nyngkong jong kan Nykaa, haka Nongbah Shillong. Ya kini kedukan la plie daw director katana tourism bat joint secretary ke Sarkar Meghalaya, haringkat ke jingadon lang ke kong Hasina Kharbhi, baruba Brian Walang bat palat saupo ngut ki weipat ki bla shakhot skopha. Haka ni kedukan la banyo ikijing ta pin bhavriu ki ba pau nam haka perthai, kumka MAC Cosmetics, Bobbi Brown, Estee Lauder, Too Faced but Smashbox. Bat kejing play kini kedukan kalong kalat ia kipat ba ka Shillong ban thiet ikijing ta pin bhavriu klem de don kam shu ban chania haka basu thiet na kirinsan online. Kinong thiet nong pet kila yoru ya kalat banyo jing hikai kumnu banta ni penan kam ya kijing ta pin bhavriu ki ba pher.
First, would like to congratulate Madhav for 1 year starting his academy, which has had so many young people. And I think the enthusiasm of what creativity can do and what style can actually help in confidence building is something that I congratulate, because it takes a lot of efforts to be in this journey of creativity. I have known Madhav from the time he started his journey. I have been following him and been in touch with him over the years. It was such a happiness to see him coming back and giving back to the communities and giving back to the young people and going as interior as Myra. And today when he said, please come here, I said, it's an honor. And I know he's been involved with our brand, Impulse and Power, doing some fabulous work which is coming up internationally very soon. Thank you for those wonderful makeup you did for our brand. And also to bring young people with you whenever you're doing your makeup and others, and the enthusiasm. What is beautiful about him is his communication and the fact that he's very passionate. So when you put something together, it is his passion that speaks louder than who he is, and the resilience that he had through the challenges that he went through. His academy has worked very closely with our organization from Delhi, and even this time when I met all of them, they still missed him very much. They felt that a talented person is out of that institution, but I think the best part is he's coming back to give back to the society. Congratulations, it's an honor to be here. And I hope everybody will enjoy this entire demonstration and be motivated that looking good is also about looking natural.